You know what? Let's just get back to the show. Back to our friends over from Level Up. It's so hard when you're distracted. Anyways, where were we? So work, what's that like? And do you have like a separate group of people who... Where do you source your games from, ba? Most of these games are from Korea, right?
Korea, China, and Russia.
Russia?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Like what game comes from Russia?
Alice Online.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's cool, huh? Who would have thought?
All the names are in Russian.
Yeah. Top 4 management of them actually named Vladimir.
Really? They're all
4 of them.
they're all Vladimir. So you say, "Hey, Vlad!" Everybody looks at you. Would you talking to me? Wow. And so what other things do you guys get to do? I mean,
Well, aside from the usual office work, we usually talk to our developers. We talk to them about the situation in game, bugs reported, content. That's our kaya nga medyo minsan barok English na kasi they can't understand what they say in straight English, so we have to simplify everything for them.
But the game, when you bring it in here, it's complete now, or do you reprogram it for local for the local market? Some
localize the language. Yeah. We sometimes do the localization, sometimes the developers do the localization. Everything is in English.
I don't Tagalize it.
Tagalog. Medyo mahaba yung Tagalog.
You don't Tagalogize it. Hey, the phone's ringing. Let's see who it is. 6330995. RT, hello? Ay, naghang up. You know what? Let's get back to more music. Here's Don Brocco with Beautiful Morning. Even in the afternoon, it's still beautiful. 4:48 on 99.5 RT.